Hi, and welcome to this PractiTest demonstration about the integration with bug trackers, project management tools, and more. PractiTest is a standalone ALM solution that can seamlessly integrate with any third-party tool such as Jira, Azure DevOps, ClickUp, GitHub, and more. PractiTest offers two-way integration, allowing data to flow from PractiTest to the third-party tool and back in real time for full synchronization and better management. Using PractiTest integrations, end-to-end testing data from all relevant systems is presented and can be easily managed from within PractiTest. Let's go over the basic features of the PractiTest integrations. We will use the Jira integration to demonstrate it. The integrations allow you to report an issue to the third-party tool directly from a PractiTest run. When running your test, you can press the Fail an Issue button. This will create an issue in your third-party tool with all the run data in it and will create a matching issue in the issue module in PractiTest. Any changes to the issue's name, description, and status in the third-party tool will be updated in PractiTest in real time. You can also link and sync the run to an issue that already exists in your third-party system. Some of the integrations allow you to import and sync existing issues from the external tool to PractiTest issue or requirement. The most powerful integration PractiTest has is with Jira. PractiTest integrates with all types of Jira: Jira Cloud, Jira Server, and Jira Data Center. We even have a Jira no plugin integration. In this advanced integration, the project admin can define which Jira projects will be integrated into the PractiTest project and which issue types could be synced: bug, epic, task, or any other available Jira issue type. The integration allows you to define what information will flow between the systems for each synced issue or requirement. You can map the Jira fields you want to sync to PractiTest, choose whether to sync the field to a PractiTest requirement or issue, add the mapped field to the Fail an Issue window in reported issues from PractiTest runs, and more. When running a test in a project integrated with Jira, pressing the Fail an Issue button will not only report the run data to Jira, like in all integrations, but will also include your mandatory Jira fields and the fields you mapped in the previous step and chose to present in the Fail an Issue window. With Jira, you can sync an existing Jira issue to PractiTest issue or requirement, like any other integration, but also sync issues from a Jira filter to PractiTest, either as a one-time import or as a continued sync to keep updating PractiTest with new issues added to the Jira filter. You can also sync an existing PractiTest requirement or issue to Jira. Inside a synced Jira issue, you will find a PractiTest panel with all the relevant information from PractiTest. If it is an issue that was reported from a test run, then you will see the relevant data about that test run and the steps that failed it. If the issue is synced to a PractiTest requirement, then you will see the relevant information about tests covering this requirement in PractiTest. This information is available for any Jira user, not only PractiTest users, so your entire team can be up to date with all the important information with no extra costs. In the PractiTest panel within the Jira issue, you can also create a new PractiTest requirement for this issue and create a new test in PractiTest that will cover this new requirement. In PractiTest, you can visualize your entire data to have a better understanding of your process and progress. This visualized data can be presented also to users outside of PractiTest by embedding PractiTest dashboard graphs into your Confluence. Working with the Jira PractiTest integration means you get the most out of your standalone test management without compromising your Jira performance and without paying for unnecessary Jira licenses. It also means you are always in sync with your team and the project progress. PractiTest integrations allow you to choose the best suited tools for you without compromising on your workflow while maintaining control of all your QA efforts in real time. PractiTest end-to-end test management.